Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be a new win in Zara haul. I hope you like the jacket that I'm wearing. Can you see? Look at those arms, they're so pretty. I will put a link in the description bar if you are interested in copying it, and then I'll put a link to my top as well. I'm sorry for the stains, I'm just so messy, and I'm also sorry for my nails. I just realized that they're really messy. But you know what, let's get straight into the Zara haul. As it is winter time, I got a jacket, but surprisingly it snowed, but then the snow's kind of disappeared. It hasn't been that cold. I'm hoping it's going to stay like this because I've been enjoying the weather, because I don't feel like it's super cold. Like my hands don't feel really cold when I'm walking. But anyways, I got a really bright yellow jacket from Zara. It's kind of a short jacket. We got zips at the side. I love zips to keep my hands warm. Ooh, it's got that beautiful soft material that is going to keep your hands warm. That's amazing. Love the bright color. I love bright colors. I love to stand out and look like you can't miss me. It is hooded, like a little bit of a fur, and then we've got a hood that is detachable. That's cool, because then you can decide if you want to or not, because sometimes you don't want to wear a hood. I can't really wear hoods, I got a big head. But I got this in a size extra small. It was $69.99, so it is a bit on the pricey side, but it's good quality. It's padded, nice and thick. Ooh, we've got softness inside. Oh my gosh, we have fur inside that is so soft. Okay, see these little things, these little extras, like with the soft pockets inside and the fur, that's what increases the price. I know already, like, you could get it cheaper somewhere else, but a lot of retailers won't think about putting fur inside and like fur in the pockets as well. So I am super excited about that. Love the color and love how they thought about keeping us warm. Wow, I feel so freaking cozy. I know the color is not for everyone. They do have other colors, don't worry. I'm sure they have a black and a blue. But I feel so freaking cozy and warm, and wow, like I feel like I could go skiing and I would feel warm. Like, I know that sounds mad, but I just feel so cozy and warm. Oh my god, I don't want to take this off. It feels so freaking good. I will try and put the hoodie on, but I got a big head, so the hoodie may not fit. Let's see. Oh, it fits! Oh, it's actually so cute as well. I really like it. I'm so happy it fits though, because I have a big head, so things don't always fit. Next up was a bit of leather. I do love leather. I think it's sexy. So I got this really cute leather dress, $29.99 in a size small. What I love about it is like the stud detail, the silver hardware. I think that's really pretty. I love leather, and I think leather dresses are really nice as well. I thought this dress was quite comfortable and casual, but it just had a little bit of that edge to it with this, the studs, which I thought was just really fun. Inside, the material is really nice and soft. It's going to be soft on your skin. We like our material soft on our skin. We don't want hard material on us. And yeah, it looks a bit large, but I think it's going to be a nice fun outfit. I will just wear it with trainers just to keep it really casual, keep it moving. So here is that leather dress. It's not appropriate for summer at all. It would be very sticky in summer. So I think right now for this season, and then kind of spring when it's a bit cold, it would be nice. I personally would put a belt around this. I think it's just a bit too loose for me like this, but I love the look. I love how funky it is. I love how stylish it is. Like, it's very, I don't know, very streetwear, very cool, very urban. Even though it's not hemmed, I feel like with the leather it's acceptable because it doesn't have that kind of ugly look to it. And I just love the hardware. That silver just looks so nice. But I'll stop moving around and just be still so you can kind of see. But as I say, not appropriate for summer. It would get too hot and sticky. I love funky shirts, funky blouses. So when I saw this, I knew it had to be. It had to be in my life. I love the color. I need to find some really nice white pants. To this day, I have not. Well, I had nice white pants. Then I took them to dry cleaners and he ruined them. He made them cream, which is to this day I still think about it. But this is beautiful. I love blue. Blue is now like one of my new favorite colors. I used to never be into blue. Then I started doing the videos and started like shopping and buying blue items, and I realized it looked really nice on my skin. So yeah, this, oh look at that pattern. And in the back as well. Oh come on, this is so stunning. I love this. So I got this in a size extra small. It says €39.95, so maybe like $29.99 in the UK, but don't worry, I'm gonna leave a link in the description bar so you can check it out. Then we've got a little hardware, a little silver. This is so beautiful, very elegant. So here is that stunning blue print top. Love it. It's so elegant and so pretty. Love the pattern of it. You do have a choice of buying it up all the way up to the top, but I would kind of leave a little bit open, not too much, just to show a little bit. But yeah, I love the pattern. I love the design of it. It's so different and vibrant. I just love the blue. And you've got, you know, light blue and dark blue and the cream as well. And it's kind of like a gold cream. I just think this is so beautiful, so stunning. And I can't wait to get some nice white pants and then just rock it out in the summertime, in springtime. I love my black dresses just because, I don't know, I just love black dresses. But this is really pretty because of the lace. Look at that lace on the sleeves. Isn't that so pretty? And then you've got this little detail here. What I liked about the dress is that it's a simple black dress, but they've added a little bit of detail with the mesh and the lace just to bring it a bit of life, bring a bit of life to it. Because look at the back as well. Oh, that's stunning, isn't it? A really nice date night outfit. I would personally wear it with a red lip or a pink lip. Ooh, smoky black eyes and then a pink lip. That works amazing. And you've got the lace at the bottom as well. Very relaxed, isn't it? Kind of gives you that kind of roby vibe, which is, but it just really nice and conservative and just so pretty, just so pretty. Well, it's in the extra small and it was $39.99. It is quite thin, I will say that. Can you see it is quite thin, but I think it's going to be okay. And I've got a black bar underneath, so it should be fine. Here is that beautiful lace dress. As I say, really stunning. The material feels it's very soft satin, very light satin. Love the lace. It's this beautiful and perfect date night dress. I think it would look so nice if you're just going out, you know, with a partner. And yeah, I just think it would be really elegant. I would personally wear it with really bright pink lip and then the black makeup. I am so sorry for these pipes. They're really aggravating me. Constantly just hearing them, like the water running through them, is so aggravating. I hope that we can, I don't know what we can do, maybe bleed the radiators. I don't know what they're doing really. So sorry for that, but the dress is really beautiful. I'm going to stand on the stool so that you can just see the lace. I do apologize for my legs. I haven't shaved. But yeah, really cute. And the stitching is cute as well because it just gives me a bit more curves. But we can't forget the back with that lace. Next up with the knitwear, I've been liking black a lot. So I got this black and white cardigan. Got this in a size small and it was $39.99. We don't have real pockets, unfortunately, but it's giving me like kind of an older woman vibe. Like no, that's not really right. Kind of a Chanel vibe. That's the vibe I'm getting. But yeah, I think it's cute. It is a more mature cardigan, but it's the way that you wear it that you can make it youthful. So if you wear it with like jeans and then trainers, that makes it youthful and fun, and then like keep your hairstyle and the makeup. But yeah, very kind of Chanel-esque. I really like it. Very soft, and it is a thick knit. It's gonna keep you warm. It's not heavy, but it's gonna keep you warm, so I'm excited about that. And I love the contrast in the material. I would have preferred silver hardware, but the gold is okay as well. Okay, so here is that knit top on. I really like it. It feels so comfy and soft on. It just feels amazing. It feels so much more expensive than it actually is. I like the style of it. Again, as I said, I would wear it with blue jeans. Just keep it really casual and then just wear some trainers just to make it kind of sophisticated but fun. Fun sophisticated. Sophisticated. But yeah, I think it's so cute. Only thing I have an issue with is, can you see there's a gap here for myself? Potentially I could size up, or no, if I play around with it, it's okay. So I think I'm going to be okay with that. So yeah, but I wish they did have real pockets, but really it's actually really cute and I'm in love. Lastly, I got a black and white dress. I love my dresses. So it's got this white stripes, can you see? So it's got it on the sides of the arms, the end of the arms, and then we've got it, ooh, turn around. We got it all the way down the front. It's a super long, stretchy maxi dress. I'm excited about this one. All the way up to the neck. Size small and $25.99. So Zara price is a bit odd because you can get really good deals on certain items that are quite simple. But I think when items have more patterns and stuff, more design, they get a bit more pricey. But yeah, it's weird. Like you can have £100 budget and actually buy a few items off of Zara. But at the same time, you could go to Zara for £100 and only leave out with like one item. It's a strange store, but I love it because the quality of Zara is always really, really good. So here is that really cute black dress on. I really like it. Very conservative. If you're someone who doesn't want to show off their body in the sense of showing off skin, but is happy to show off their figure, this is perfect for you. Because, you know, you can show off your boobs, you can show off your hips and your bum, because it is figure hugging, but you're not showing any skin off. Literally, I will stand on my little stool for you so you can see how low it goes. Can you see? So literally you can just show your ankles, but you know, if you're wearing ankle boots or thigh high boots, you're literally covered up, but you're stylish at the same time. I love the contrast with this white in the middle. I just think it's just nice and different. This feels really cozy and comfortable. I think you can definitely wear it in this weather. Just wear a coat just to be a bit more safe in this when you're out on the street. But generally, just walking around and stuff, day to day, it is perfectly fine just to go like this. And yeah, I'm in love. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow to work. Like, thank you very much, Zara. I already got an outfit for work tomorrow. Okay then guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're enjoying the content that I'm coming out with. Thank you for all your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is Payda101. And really don't forget to have a really beautiful month. Bye!